No, you're going the wrong way yet. Wait a minute, wait! God damn! Wait! You're gonna run my stick! You're gonna run the fucking stick over! You know what? What do you want? You're dumping in that fucking rock pile right there. What do you want me to do with it now? Nothing. Shit. Goddamn Christmas tree.